Alright, this video is to show how easy it is to make your own hemp milk smoothie. So you want to start with 1 cup hemp seeds and 4 cups of water. 3 cups if you like it extra thick and creamier. So today we're going to do the 4 cups. 1 cup hemp and 4 cups. And now that's step 1, is to make your base, your milk base for the smoothie. You don't want to just add everything all at once if you want it to be a hemp milk consistency. So once that's in, if you have a Vitamix or a blending with variable speed settings, you want to make sure to start low and gradually work your way up. So we're going to start at level 1. You also want to start slow and finish slow as well. So once you have your hemp milk after blending it for about 30 to 60 seconds, then you have your base ready. Now if you do want to elect a different nut milk, you could use pecans, walnuts, pistachio, what have you. However, certain nuts, most nuts require overnight soaking. Just soaking them in water, make sure they're fully submerged, drain that water in the morning, and then blend it with new water, put it through a nut milk bag, and then you can do that whole process. However, the beauty about hemp milk, it doesn't require any straining. You can just blend it and go straight to using it. It's instant hemp milk, you don't have to wait overnight. So now once you have that, you can go ahead and add your berries. I like to suggest wild berries if possible. Wild blueberries do have approximately about 2 times the amount of antioxidants. So today we're gonna add the berries, some cacao, baobab, hibiscus, and Ceylon cinnamon. And then we're also gonna add some maquis berries, which maquis berry on the ORAC scale of measuring antioxidants is actually even higher than acai. Now, just a disclaimer, this brand does contain red maca powder as well. So maca, they say, is a magic root from the Andes. However, Dr. Sebi did say it was a hybrid, so it's good to exercise caution with that, as well as that maca could arouse the root chakra. So if you don't have a significant other with you, it could be a bit frustrating. And now we also have some holy basil seeds as well. Fabulous adaptogen. Similar to chia. And then some more acai. And we also have some manuka honey. I do also love to use melipona honey, which is the stingless bee from Mexico. From the Meliponini tribe. It's, I believe, the world's only alkaline honey. Liquid gold. Manuka's good to use. No deviation. Now, if you don't have access to Manuka or Melipona honey, be good to source a local honey, especially if you have seasonal allergies. Local honey is going to help you adapt to all that. And I don't usually do any sugar whatsoever, refined sugar. Q chocolate does contain coconut sugar. So today I'll make a little exception and add some Q chocolate. This doesn't have any cacao nibs. And some walnut butter. A little plain walnut butter. There also is a maple walnut as well that tickles your fancy. And So yeah, an option is to allow it to sit and get to know each other by shaking it up and letting it sit for a few minutes. And then they all fuse together and merge into one more uniform, homogeneous flavor, if you will. So yeah, pretty much ready to go. Same process. You want to also start from slow, work your way up. And voila, there you have hemp milk smoothie. Simple and easy.